because the fur alone is already so well how it sparkles. I would still love to see if a little bit of like some sort of a light on the tip of the tail. Oh,
What
that's
if you
interesting.
built a cuff, with a sort of a jeweled cuff that always trained in on myself? And the
But
tip
then-
of the tail, I agree, that's it.
Tip on the tail would be fun. I like it on the head because, you know, the arms will do the lantern and the tail.
I mean, what if, Michael, you were to do cuffs, toes, tip of the tail, and tip of the feather? So there were 6. So you really get some coverage.
What's good about this is anywhere you move, you're doing stuff.
Right. I mean, and we're just looking at that one, but if there was one on the feather, one on each of the shoes, on both hands and on the tail, then you're really getting a lot more coverage with it.
I don't know about the shoes, just because
Yeah,
I'm
we
worried
need a lot
about
of movement.
movement and not being able to see it and not getting light in where you need it. Because if I go out here, it's dangerous.
Okay.
I'm still not reaching even in the face.
Well, the only reason I was thinking the shoes is go ahead and put it back up on near the feather, is that we don't really see the bottom half of the costume.
Right, that's where I was hoping the lantern would give
I see.
help there. They're pushing a wheelbarrow with the light in it, I don't know. Jesus, they want to be out here.
You can give them an erection.
You can go pretty far with this feather. You can go out this far. Doing a lot. What's interesting about it, it would move with his head. So I'm going to move your head a little bit more.
I'm not worried about coverage as much, you guys, because it's not going to be pitch black.
Yeah. For me, it's rather than point source, it's broad washes.
Exactly.
This costume.